Okay. Everybody quickly respond. Anyway, today is more of writing. Just give me 2 minutes, we'll start. We'll start. Chaliye. So can I say all the numbers done? Hello? Comfortable? No issues at all? How about the bouncing? Able to do it? Everybody? Pakka? So are you telling me, sir, move forward with patterns? Today, shall we start patterns? Arey Baba, yes. If you have any issue with numbers, tell me. Comfortable? Everybody? चलिए. Done. So I just want to print one star. Can you please help me with that? I just want to print one star. Can you please help me with that? Tell me, sir, what to do. Right? Huh? Alright, tell me. I'm not good in programming. Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. You're laughing at me. Okay. Okay. You. चलो बधाई. Tell me. What do I do, sir? System dot out dot print or println? Print a star. This is something super easy for all of us, I believe. Agree? Sir, I want to print 3 star. Same line. Then within the same can't I print? Yes or no? Okay, sir. 3 stars I printed. Sir, what if these number of stars are not fixed? The point is, I'll ask the end user, give me the number of star to be printed. Whatever user says, accordingly I need to print the. Are you getting the solution? Requirement are you getting? What is the requirement? I need to ask the user, enter the number of star to be. Agree? If user is giving the number of stars, Is this the right approach to handle it? No, sir. This is not the right approach, as you are telling. Okay. Sir, what to do in that case? This is not a right approach. If number of stars are not fixed, if they are floating, then this is not the right approach. Are you right? Everybody? In that case, you are telling better you go for a loop. Usually for loop. So can you please help me with the for loop? If I take J, any problem? J equal to number of star or some variable I would have taken. Agree? So as of now, I'm keeping hard-coded value 5. Although I know how to take the variable and replace the variable rather than the 5. Agree? Okay, sir. Then, would this solve my problem? I'll take a variable over here. Whichever value you want, I'll print it. Agree? That many times star will be printed on the same line, new line. One after another. I want a space between them. So are you telling me, sir, give a space? Then write it. Agree? So output would be somewhat, are you telling me, sir, one star, space, another star, space, another star, space, another star. Okay, 5. Agree? This is how the output would look like. Am I right? If you are telling print 5 stars on same line followed by 1 space, and I am sure even at this point 1 space would be there. Of course. Agree? Till here, fine, no problem. Sir, I'm saying this print in 2 lines. Are you getting my point? I want 2 lines. Each line should consist 5 star. Are you understanding my requirement? My requirement is within 1 line, I'll tell you how many stars to be printed. Agree? I am telling within 1 line how many stars to be printed. How many stars to be printed within 1 line? Like this, I want 2 lines. Copy this. Am I right? I have copied. Consider, I have copied the entire for loop. Once again, wrote it. I want 3 times. Copy. Or better, sir, we know you will go till 5, 10, 20 also. Better you take another. Louder. There you do one thing. Start. How many rows you want, sir? Say this time we'll go for 3. Done. Now will this work? No, sir. Let's see. Let's see whether it works or not. Shall we check? Pakka. Shall I wipe the board and start? Consider this is the output screen. Okay, na? And these are the variables I have taken. One is, another one is, if I is starting with, guys, I need a little higher energy, please. 1 less or equal to 3 condition. In that case, get into this for loop, inner for loop. Agree? There you start. J equals to 1. 1 is less or equal to 5 condition. If condition true, get and print. Actually should be star this way and a space. Agree? I am printing a star followed by a space. Done. After this, what will happen? After this, I will be incremented. Unless you step out of this inner loop completely, you will not touch the outer loop. Agree? Am I clear? So let me keep iterate within the jth loop unless this condition fails. Agree? Okay, sir. As of now, j is 1. After printing, j is 2. 2 is less or equal to 5 condition. Am I right? If condition true, once again print and followed by a space. Done. Once again, j will be incremented to 3 is less or equal to 5. Star space. Done. Agree? Once again, j will be incremented to 4 is less or equal to 5. Then print space. Then once again, j will be incremented to 5 is less or equal to 5. Print. Done. Once again, j will be incremented to condition. Now condition false. Step out of the inner loop and now go and increment. The moment I step out of this inner loop, what happened? Happened one thing. Local variable gone. Array, come on. J started within the loop. The moment you stepped out of this body, local variable. Agree. Am I clear? And don't forget, for is also a method. Parenthesis means if for everything is a method only. Agree. Any variable within that you declare is a local variable. Agree. Local variable remain as long as the control remain in the same body. Agree. As soon as control and exit out of the body, local variables from perfect from stack frame. Agree. So are you telling me, sir, this stack frame is gone, but outer still there? Agree. Then I will be incremented to. Am I right? Okay, sir. 2 is less or equal to 3 condition. In that case, once again, yes, once again, j will start from 1. 1 is less or equal to 5 condition. In that case, star, print star space, done. No. Array, this will be printed on the array. In that case, it will be all will be printed in same line. So, are you telling me, sir, do one thing? Louder. Sir, you printed 5 times star space. Done. This much is done, right? After this, I want anything to be coming on the. So, the moment you complete the inner loop, ensure without failure, right? Ellen, what to write within this? Nothing, leave it blank. I don't want to print anything. I just want to come to the next line. Done. Everybody clear? So are you telling me control is somewhere here? As soon as you step out of the inner loop, then I incremented, I became 2, 2 is less or equal to 3, condition true. Again, j started with 1. Agree. 1 is less or equal to 5, condition true. Then you will tell print star. Okay, sir. At this new line. Done. And can I say then j will be incremented? Agree. Then 2 is less or equal to 5, condition true. Print. Done. Then j will be incremented to 3. 3 is less or equal to 5, then done. Less or equal to. Step out of the inner loop and. Am I right? Once again, incremented to, and don't forget. Agree. Now 3 is less or equal to 3, condition true. Once again. Agree. Are you telling me, sir, at this line also 5 times? Agree. Everybody clear? Am I clear? In other words, are you telling me, sir, this inner loop meant for column means what? Agree. How many columns are there? Denoted by which value, sir? Jth loop. Agree. This outer loop is nothing but the. How many rows are there, sir? These are nothing but. Sorry, I. Denoted by I. Am I right? Everybody comfortable? Online folks, quickly respond in chat. Dilip, fix your network issue. Everybody comfortable, online folks? Quick. Each one of you. Pooja. Chetan. Vidyashree. Okay, let's get started. Shall I move? Pakka? Sir, I want 7 stars to be printed in each row. In one row, how many star need to be printed? That is nothing but the column. In one row, how many stars should be printed? That is the size of the column. Are you getting my point? For column, inner loop. For rows, how many rows I want? Say right now I want 2 rows only. Then I should be less or equal to, I want 20 rows. I want 10 columns. Agree? Within one row, I want only 3. I or J? Within one row, I want only 3. Within one row, I want only 3. Are you getting my point? Total how many rows I want? 5. Are you getting my point? Within one row, I want only 2. Can you handle the situation whenever I'm telling how many rows, how many columns? Within one row, how many you want? J. How many rows you want? I. Are you getting my point? Within one row, how many I want? That is column. Agree? Column is nothing but J. Inner loop. Agree? I want how many rows? I. Are you getting my point? Within one row, how many I want is nothing but column. Are you getting my point? Column means jth loop. Row means, can I expect you to remember this much? Pakka. Shall I move forward? Sir, in that case, if I need to print 5 by 5, 5 rows, 5 columns. I less or equal to 5. J is less or equal to, no confusion. Sir, 3 by 4.
Is equal to 3.
3. J is pakka clear. Online folks, how about you? Crystal clear? Faster. Online folks, faster. Do you want to make a note of it? Eh? Said something? Fadafat, guys. Faster. No celebration today? Where is your native? Why? You also? One is Eid. Then? Shall I wipe? Shall I wipe the board? And can I expect you to write the condition for 5 row, 5 column? Fatafat. Just the loop part. Fatafat. Everybody. 5 rows, 5 columns. Very good, Arun. Done? All of you? Pakka clear? I mean, can you please help me, fatafat? Write one outer for loop for I as one voice. J equal to 1, J is less or equal to 5, J plus plus. Then SOP of, then another SOP. Then, am I right? Done. I hope this is no big deal for you. Done. 5 rows, 5 column would have been printed. Agree? Are you telling me somewhere? Wait a minute. Just a moment. Let me refill and check if it is working. Very good. Yeah. Wait. अरे बहुत बढ़िया. Visible, huh? Online folks? Visible, visible. Can you please help me, fatafat? Everywhere what will be printed, or shall I iterate, or are you comfortable? If everybody is comfortable, I'll unnecessarily not iterate. Are you comfortable? Are you telling me, sir, everywhere star will be printed? No confusion at all? Everybody confident? No, I don't want to print actually star. So you're not even gonna say something along with me. Done. Tell me next how to do it, sir. Hold on. May I explain, if you don't mind? Chalo. Funda is simple, guys. Say, for example, a pattern is given to you. Okay, now we need to understand the symmetry of the pattern. Close your notebook and focus here. We need to understand the symmetry of the pattern. What does it mean by symmetry of pattern? The pattern is moving in which direction? I mean, there is some common thing between the structure of the diagram. Whatever diagram is given, whatever pattern is given, there is some common thing is there for sure. Every diagram will have some common thing. I mean, every pattern will have some common thing in that. We need to catch hold of that. How? That I need to tell you. Shall I? Pakka? First thing first. Sir, if you observe, first column has what value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second column has what value? Are you telling me, sir, this first column, whatever value is there, that is being duplicated? Am I right? First column value, second column value, third, every column value is same. Agree? If at all somehow I understand how to print the first column, then printing the same for 5 times is no big deal for me. Agree? One. Leave that part. Most importantly, pattern is changing how? There is the way it is being changing. Let's focus that. And before starting, let me tell you, as I already told you, you might have learned a different approach. I may be telling the absolutely different approach. You may like it, may not like it. But while you are here, please focus, respond along with me. You will learn another approach of solving it. Whichever you like it, you do it. No restriction that you have to follow my approach or that approach. Whichever you like, you do it. While I am explaining an approach, I expect you to walk along with me. Anybody has a problem? Chaliye, let's get started. Funda is simple and straight. First thing, forget about all this. As I'm saying, this structure is given. I have not written the code. Consider structure. This pattern is given to me. First thing, this is basically Rangoli. You understand? One Rangoli is given to me. Draw the Rangoli, everything clearly, and ensure do the marking. Marking for if I is there, I will go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If J is there, J will go. Agree? That is how the J is going. Agree? Okay, sir. Moving forward. Pay attention. My question is simple. The pattern is changing with respect to J or I. Focus. Focus. Say J. When J value is 1, what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When J value is 2. Oh, when J value is 3. Same. Pattern is not changing with respect to. Pakka clear? Pattern is changing with respect to. Can you see? Agree? Am I right? Thank you, Amit. Let's focus now. Funda is simple and straight. One thing we understood, symmetry. The pattern is changing with respect to J. I. With respect to, pattern is changing with respect to I. One thing is clear, apart from this. I mean, for our easier understanding, I'll write the value of I as well as somewhere I'll write the value of J. Okay, na? Let me ask you one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Agree? I mean, I value start from 1, goes till straightforward values are there. Agree? My question is, where all are you printing? I repeat, listen the question very carefully, then only you'll be able to understand the next steps. Listen very carefully. List down the value of I 1 to 5. That is, I is ranging 1 to 5. I list them as it is. No rocket science. My question is, whenever I value is 1, maximum places where all you are printing. Where all you are printing. What you are printing, I am not asking. Where all you are printing. Are you saying whenever I value is 1? For J value 1, I am printing. For J value 2, I am printing. For J value 3, I am printing. Are you with me? So in that case, I'll start with the third row. J value is what? J value. अरे यार तुम लोगों को मैट्रिक्स भी नहीं मालूम क्या? 1 by 1, 1 by 2. You know? पक्का? Or do you expect me to write that also now? भाई पक्का? I like the smile on your face, sir. This much we know. Chalo, moving forward. For fourth row also. For second row also. First row. Last row. Okay, sir. Whenever I value is 1, J, where all you need to print in columns, start from 2, 3, 4, goes till 5. Agree? For second row also, same. Third row also, same. Fourth row also, same. Fifth row also, same. Now, can I say where all needs to be printed, that is identified. Combination of I and J, we have understood. Agree? Everybody clear? Sir, what is the big deal? Why are you doing all this? As of now, it is not useful. Wait for few couple of sessions. After structure will change, then you will say, sir, this is very important. As of now, waste of time. Directly I can write it. One line story over. Later you will suffer. That's why I'm telling. At least walk along with me. There is these steps. Why am I doing it? So that you'll understand there is a notion of thought processes there that you need to be comfortable with that. Shall I proceed now? Funda is simple. A structure is given. I draw the Rangoli. Numbering. Done. Then write where all you need to print. Where all you need to print. Agree? Sir, what do you need to print? Now, where is clear? Where is clear? What do you need to print actually? Sir, actually, I need to print whatever is the value of I is there. Are you with me? I need to print for the first row, whatever is the value of I is there. I need to print it. Are you with me? Sir, everywhere I should come. Yes or no? Everywhere do I need to print whatever is the value of I in this structure. Since this structure is changing in this pattern is changing with respect to I. Every column of first row has value. Every column of second row has value. Every column of third row. Are you telling me, sir, whatever is the value of row is there, that is being printed? Are you with me? What is being printed? Whatever is the row representation. What is the first row means? 1. Second row means? Third row means? Fourth row means? Are you with me? Yes or no? Everybody? In that case, are you telling me, sir, actually don't print the star? Rather, why don't you simply print an I? That's all. And probably a space or whatever. Let's not get into the space only. Shall I check it now? Pakka clear? Sure? Now the funda is simple and straight. Everywhere I need to print whatever is the row value is there. Row value is 1. I'm printing. If row value is 2, I'm printing. If row value is 3, straightforward. Is this clear? I am printing. Whomever is representing row. Who is representing row here? I printing. Am I clear? I am exactly printing whatever is the row representation. I put it I. Story over. No confusion. Did I change conditions anywhere? Because see, I'm a little dumb person, so I don't play around with these conditions unless there is no choice. 99% cases I will write the same everywhere, almost every pattern. Couple of sessions you will also understand this is actually a better way. I will not touch with these conditions. Reason, I don't remember when to put what condition. That is where the pattern will become a haunting situation for me. If I am changing the condition, I never change these terminating conditions of the loops. Same. How many rows? These many rows. How many columns? These. I'll play around within this. Are you with me? What am I printing right now? Whatever is the value of row, I am printing this. Shall I do the dry run? Will you start with me? I value start from 1 less or equal to 5. Then less or equal to 5. Then what I need to print? 1. Done. Then increment the value of J2. 2 is less or equal to 5. Print value of 5. Okay, sir. Then J will be incremented to 3 is less or equal to 5. Then print whatever is the value of I. See, value of I is 1. I'm keep printing 1. Agree? Then once again J will become 4 is less or equal to 5. Print. Okay, sir. Once again 5 less or equal to 5. Then print. Okay, sir. J becomes 6 less or equal to 5. After this loop. And this two. Arey, come on. Am I right? Come to the next line. At next line, I am waiting. Then the moment I step out this loop, are you agree? I stepped out of the inner loop. That means J is gone. Agree? I am at the next line now. Agree? After this, I will become. Okay, sir. I became 2 is less or equal to 5 condition. Then once again, J is equal to. Okay, sir. 1 is less or equal to 5. Print. Now what is the value of I? Akka. So print. Okay, sir. Done. Then J will be incremented to. Then 2 is less or equal to 5. Then print. Okay, sir. Then J is incremented to 3 is less or equal to 5. Print. I value is still 2. Agree. Then J became 4. 4 is less or equal to 5 condition. Print. Okay, sir. J incremented to 5. 5 is less or equal to 5. Print 2 once again. Agree. Now, once again, J will be incremented to 6 less or equal to. Print. No. False. No. Why to print? Then step out. the moment you stepped out, come to done. After this, I will be incremented to 3 is less or equal to 5. Once again, 1 is less or equal to 5. Print. Agree? At this moment, 3. Done. Once again, j will be incremented. 2 is less or equal to 5. Print. Okay, sir. Done. Again, j will be incremented to 3 is less or equal to 5. Everybody louder. Now, 3 is less or equal to 5 condition. Print. Okay, sir. Then j will be incremented to 4 is less or equal to. Then print. Agree? Like this, we'll be keep continuously doing it. Agree? Am I clear? 100%. One small change is there. Shall I? नहीं यार, ये vertically, ये horizontally you are printing 111. I want vertically. Can you give a try with me? Fast, write the logic for that. Hey, hello, write the logic, Ray. Over smarta. Ensure to follow steps also. Don't write J and story over. Step by step you write. First you draw the rangoli. Then marking. Then this should be there. Where to print? This is for what? This is to identify where all you need to print. Then this entire masti is happening for what to be printed. Online folks, are you comfortable? Online folks, are you comfortable? Everybody, faster. I want all the steps to be followed. First, second, then the logic. Are you clear? Pitch. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Good. Online people, those who are responding, excellent. Today you have a communication class, right? All of you? Okay. Done? Shall we start online, folks? Quick confirmation, please. Quick, everybody. Okay, shall I start? Pay attention now. Sir, this is the structure given to us. This is the pattern given to us. Yes or no? All eyes here now. All eyes here. Close your notebooks fast. Fast. Fatafat. First thing, this pattern is given to us. We draw the rangoli. Marking is done. First step clear. Second most important thing. Where to print for the value of I? What all places? What all the places where value of j is there, we have printed. Agree? We have written it. Why are we doing this step? Sorry, you told us to do it. We are doing it. Although we are no interest of doing it. Am I right? Arey Baba, everything has a reason behind it. Let's understand why are we doing all this. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, what is the big deal? We can see that, no? Pay attention. Now, first step is rangoli. Second step is simply writing down where to print. Agree? Third step, most important, is coming from the second step, which we will discuss now. Shall I? I mean, every pattern by pattern, I'll keep adding masala on top of it. Okay, na? So your what do you say? Your pani puri is becoming little spicy bite by bite. Shall I proceed now? Now, after writing all this, I actually want to write the value of I and j, but in a bit smarter way. What does it mean, sir? I want to write in a generic way. Generic way, you understand? I'm sure you would have heard or learned what heard. Obviously, you would have learned something called AP, GP, HP. Full forms. Andhra Pradesh, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, right? In that, what used to happen? One series used to be given to you. I need to find the nth term. Remember that nth term you have to find out? I want that to be coming with the help of this structure. Whatever you wrote, where I want the generic one line, you tell me what is the combination between I and j. One line, that nth term I want. Are you getting my point? Sir, same thing is written. I want to write it in a bit smarter way. Consider, I'll start with the third row first. Are you telling me, sir, first in the third row, where all I need to print starting from, goes till 1 to 4th one. So everywhere, actually value of, if you observe, everywhere, value of I is actually, this is the value, right? But if you see ranging between, are you getting my, sorry, this is j. Sorry, whenever I value is there 1, then j is ranging between 1 to, if value of I is 2, value is ranging between, everywhere Agree? Am I clear? 100% clear? Maximum value of j is what in each row? Maximum value of j in each row is, are you sure? Always starting from. Am I clear? So you are telling me, sir, j should be starting from, and j should be less or equal to, this one line is enough to justify all this. Every line. See, at this line, can I say, rather than writing all this, can I simply say j is less or equal to 5? Like, come on, yes or no? Am I right? At this line, what should I say? Arey, right, stop writing 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Agree. Condition is correct. Pakka. Similarly, everywhere, what should I write? J is less or equal to 5, j is less or equal to 5, j is less or equal to 5. Done. Am I right? This is important for us. Agree? By the way, how many rows are there? So I will be writing I is less or equal to, I is less or equal to 5. Agree? How about j value is? We have generated from here. J is? Okay, sir. Done. Sir, every time we have been writing the same. How are we writing? I'm explaining that. Why are we writing I is less or equal to 5? Number of, in each row, how many places you need to print? J is less or equal to 5. Are you getting my point? Because as of now, we are printing in all the places. But I'm sure you would have at least heard there are structures will come. If you are not aware, these are the structures you will be printing, by the way. These are the patterns you'll be printing. Sir, what is this pattern? Let me help you. Proper structure. Sir, this is the actually entire structure is like this. So in few places, I'm printing. In few places, I'm not. Here I'm printing actually, if you see. In these places, I'm not printing. For that, we have to know where to print, where not to print. The decision making will help us later. Right now, we are following steps. So that, I mean, I want you to get habituated with the thought process. One way, if you start learning this way, later you will not suffer. Say, for example, this one is there. This structure is actually completely this much. Here one, then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll not print. Here 2, I'll print. 1, 2, 3, I'll not print. Here 3, I'll print. 1, 2, I'll not print. Here, then 1, I'll not print. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how the structure will come. Here I need to print. Here I will not print. Are you getting my point, everybody? As of now, this whatever activity we are doing it is not much effective because every place we are printing it. Wait, 1 or 2 session, we'll come to that structures. Am I clear? Okay. Moreover, now no much issue will be there. Shall I proceed now? Okay, sir. Now, where all is to be printed, that is j is less or equal to 5. Condition is true. Clear? No issue. Pakka. What needs to be printed, sir? With respect to pattern is changing with respect to columns. Column representation is simple j. Write it, sir. Within double quotes. We want the value of j, not the j to be printed. Agree? Easy. Shall I move to the next one? Since you are so confident, shall I give you another pattern? Ready? Online folks, are you all comfortable till here? Quick, quick. Chaliye. If all of you are so comfortable, so ready, let's get started with the next pattern, guys. Now, shall I proceed? Let me wipe this much. Done. Write down the pattern. Easy. We know it. We two people have done it now. Huh? Good. Start. Greatest advantage. Are nobody is telling along with me? Done. चलो जल्दी जल्दी. Draw the rangoli properly. Done. Rangoli done. Where needs to be printed, not ABCD for J. That is where the game changes. Same situation will not be there. For J value, what needs to be printed, don't write. Where all needs to be printed, write it. Arey yaar, I wiped it. What is where needs to be printed? Where all the place of J, that you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not ABCD. So every question will be same, huh? Some changes will be there. Hey, Barry, hello. Kitch. Different place you write now. And whatever you're writing before interview, you will look into it. Write it that way. Item ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Right, done. Chandu, careful, careful, careful. Done? You done, buddy? Done? I'll explain, don't worry. Anju, showed also. Prashant, done. Super. Done. Shall I start? Need more time? Girls? Done. Third row. Done. Arey, done, not done. I'll leave it. Chalo, we'll discuss. Okay, 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 okay. Close your notebooks. Fatafat, fatafat, fatafat. Sir, Rangoli is done. Let's talk about where to print what. Am I right? Where all for the value of I. What are the possible values of j? Where to print? In this case, don't write ABCD, please. What you should write? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because I value ranges 1 to 5. In that case, if I value is 1, where all I need to print? Where all I need to print? Fatafat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, unless this pattern structure changes, what we are doing, this step will not change it. Agree? Done, sir. Am I clear? Generic way, if I need to tell, are you telling me, sir, J should be? Done. Story over. No confusion. But the problem is we are not printing 1, 2, 3, 4. We are printing character value. For this, multiple approaches are there. I will tell one of the approach, you follow with that if you are comfortable. I'll tell you all the approaches. Whichever you said, say, sir, this is better, we'll go with that approach. Agree? One approach which people follow, they actually take a character variable. Char C equal to capital A, you want to print capital A, take it. Agree? Am I clear? And they'll start printing what? They'll start printing C. Agree? And next time onward, they'll start adding C++, C++. So basically here I'll print C. First time when I'm printing in the first C, this is the, when I value is 1. I'm talking about first row. Agree? How many times I need to print value of C? 5 times. I printed. Done. What I printed? A everywhere done. After the moment I step out this loop, I will say, agree? Sir, C++. When you are saying C, C is holding what? As per you, A. It is holding. When you say 65 plus plus will become, in character format, it is B. Are you with me? So B will be printed. This is one approach. Agree? Shall I show you other approaches? Some people don't prefer to take additional variable. They say, oh, waste of variable memory and all. No, 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 will not take it this way. They take character C equal to A. Agree? And then C is less or equal to and so on. They'll put the conditions and they start doing on that. That is one more approach. Another approach is, sir, you are starting with integer, na? We'll go everywhere with integer only. We will print I because structure is changing with respect to I. So we will print I. But while printing I, I'll add something to make it 65. But if I print it this way, this will actually print 65 only. I don't want to print 65. For 65 corresponding So typecast to char. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? See, I value starting from 1. 1 plus becomes 65 corresponding character. That is what you wanted to print. Nah. Are you getting my point? Everybody clear? Shall I do the dry run now? Pakka? Chali. Let's get started. I equals to less or equal to 5 condition. Then once again, j equal to j becomes 1 less or equal to 5 condition. I plus 64, 65 of character. Let me print A. Done. At the same line, j will be incremented to 2 less or equal to 5 condition. In that case, I still 1.
2.
I is still 1 plus 64. 65 character at the same line. Are you with me? Once again, j will be incremented to 3 and 3 is less or equal to 5 condition. I value still 1 plus 64, 65 character is, am I right? Then j will be incremented to 4, 4 is less or equal to 5 condition true, then 1 plus 64, agree? 65 corresponding character is A. Once again, j will be incremented to 5, 5 is less or equal to 5 condition true, print. Done. Once again, j is incremented to 6. 6 less than 5 condition false, step out, come to the next line, done. And also don't forget to agree. After this, I has been incremented to 2, sir. 2 is less or equal to 5 condition. If condition is true, then once again, j will be started with 1 is less or equal to 5 condition true. Then I value is what? 2 plus 64. 66 corresponding character. Am I right? Pakka. In that case, j will be incremented to, then 2 is less or equal to 5. Then 2 plus 64. That is 65 corresponding character B. Then j will be incremented to 3. 3 is less or equal to 5 condition. True. Then still 2 only. Agree. Am I clear? B, 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 C, 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 C. Rest you can do it, na yaar. Pakka. Is this approach, if you are comfortable, shall we continue with this approach? Easy. Pakka. Fatafat. Make a note of it. Next pattern is waiting for you. And write the only for loop after the pattern directly. I know rest of the things will not change, right? This thing will not change unnecessary. Don't write every time. After this, I know what needs to be changed. One place, one thing will change. You change that. That's story. Write down the for loop directly. Online folks, are you all comfortable? Quickly respond in chat. Done. And do I need to spend so much of time on this pattern, or you understood one thing, sir? Everybody understood? Pakka. If anybody didn't understand, I'm okay to start every step. No issues. Everybody understood why rather than I, you simply say J, everything is same. Pakka. Shall I move? Online folks, are you all comfortable? Quick. Each one of you have to respond. Just rather than I print J, story over. Agree? Online folks, quick. Chaliye then. If everybody is so comfortable, let me make progress. Shall I? Now can I say this structure? Which structure? By the way, I mean, one by one pattern will change. First pattern we have learnt is the rectangle. Where 5 by 5 matrix is there? Come on. Pakka na? This structure is super comfortable for each one of you. This is very much easy to understand for each one of you. Pakka. Shall I move to the next structure now? Next structure is this much, sir. Am I right? Shall I start? Chaliye. Next structure is super important. Pay attention to the next pattern. Super, super important. If you understand this one, next 4 or 5 programs, you can easily handle it. See, I'll tell you in patterns, na, for a one type of pattern, you understand the logic. On that one pattern, 4 or 5 programs will come for sure. Shall I start? Now the point is, pay attention, close your notebooks faster. I hope you understand the structure symmetry wise, a right angle triangle. And I guess few days back, there was a drive happened. I don't remember the name. Exact same was asked. Am I right? What is the drive name? Very good. You attended the drive, no? But you know that this question was asked. I mean, other batch people, those who attended, they were telling me yesterday only, sir, this was the question asked exactly. With the stars only. Same question what we are discussing today has been asked 2 weeks back. Shall we start now? First thing first, sir, give the numbering. For I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For J, this is your J value and this is your I value, sir. So are you telling me write down the I as well as J? Shall I? Pakka? What are the values of I are there, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For J, 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? For first row, only one column value is being printed. Where I'm asking, agree? First, what do we always write? Where all for the values of j needs to be printed, agree? For first row, value of j is only 1. For second row, oh. Then third row, fourth row, fifth row. Am I right? Everybody clear? Arey yaar, then structure has changed now. This is where the importance of this step comes. Shall I start now? Pay attention, super important. Online folks, are you all ready? कौन ने बोला yes? Nilofer, I heard you said yes. Anyways, chalo, all of you are ready. Let's get started. Pay attention now. Funda is simple. I always focus. I mean, I have a bad habit of starting in between middle. Gives me easier to handle. My question is simple, sir. Whenever value of I is louder, in that case, J start from go still. Are you with me? Yes or no? Are you telling me, sir, in this situation, J is starting from 1, go still? Sir, what if this starting from 1, go still? Can I say 1 to 1? If you don't mind, can I say? In other words, can I say when value of I and J in a generic terms if I need to tell? If I generic terms, if I need to tell 1, 2, 3, 4, done. In that case, generic values I want. In that case, third step is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Are you with me? Whenever this value is changing, agree? This 1, 2, 1, 2, whatever I wrote, if you don't mind, can I simply say, pay attention what I'm saying. 1 is less or equal to 1. 1 is less or equal to 2. 1 is less or equal to 3. 1 is less or equal to. Am I right? In this range only it should come. Range I am writing in a operator wise. Agree? But if you see one of the operand you remember, one of the operand is always fixed. Agree? So are you telling me J value always start from? Go still what? That, let me explain. I mean, yeah, please try to understand. If you start answering before me, my job is at risk, guys. Please don't steal my job. Okay. Shall I start? Listen carefully. Sir, if I value is 3, you are going maximum. If I value is 2, you are going maximum. If 4, everywhere if you observe, whatever is the value of I is the maximum range of the J you are going. Are you getting my point? See, third row, total 3 star printed. Fifth row, how many stars? Second row. So whatever is the row, accordingly, I am going that much width from this column. Are you getting my point? How many steps I'm moving ahead? Based on the value of I. Agree? Are you telling me, sir, rather than writing this everywhere, why don't you write? Agree? Am I right? By the way, did you observe one more thing? Sir, some places you are printing. Arre, come on. But some places you are printing. Agree? Oh, this decision making also needs to be done. Where to print, and where to print. Oh, new headache came now. Are you getting my point? Some places I need to print star, some places I need to print space. Where to print star, where to print, that decision making needs to be done. Agree? Am I right? So in that case, shall I write the logic basic one? Shall I start? For loop int I equal to 1, I is less or equal to 5, I. Done. Then once again, J is equal to 1, J is less or equal to 5, J. Clear? I'm not wasting time into the things which you are comfortable. Agree? But sir, everywhere I am not supposed to write SOP. Pay attention. Same thing is not repeating everywhere. Somewhere space, somewhere where all star, where all space. Shall we discuss now? Agree? Sir, in other words, if at all, based on some condition, if this condition is true, we will print some places I'm going to print a star, some places I'm printing. Hope you understand this space. Agree? Done? Now my question is, if I can find out what is the condition, based on that, if condition is true, I'll print star. If condition fails, I'll not print. Agree? Condition is with the help of this only we will find out. Are you with me? Sir, J value always start from, if I say J is less or equal to 1 for first row, what am I saying? J is less or equal to 1. Second row, I should say J is less or equal to, J is less or equal to, agree? That is nothing but the value of I only. In other words, can I say J is less or equal to, am I correct? If J is less or equal to I, then are you telling me, sir, if at all J is less or equal to I, print star wherever J is not less or equal to I? Once you are done with all this masti, ensure one more SOP comes. Why? New line. Agree? Once this is done, don't forget to close both the, अरे यार loops हद हो गई यार. ऐसा no. Shall I start dry run now? Everybody understood all the steps? I'll reiterate. Listen, very important. If you understand this pattern, many questions you will be able to solve. At least 10 to 12 questions you can solve like this. If you understand the scenario, like clear. Are you ready? Are you ready? Perfect. This is how the energy should be maintained. Shall we start, guys? Padafat. Shall I wipe this portion? Leave it. First thing, whatever pattern is given, we understood. Marking IJ, we are done. Then first thing what we always look, where to print, where not to print. Agree? I am asking where to print, where all to print. For I value is 1, then J it's to be 1. For if I value is 3, then 1, 2, 3. If I value is 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you with me? So in that case, we have first blindly listed out the places where all the value of J and I should be used to be print the starring. Agree? Agree? After this, let's start making that terminology generic way. In that way, we understood the value of J always start from 1, but goes maximum whatever is the current value of. Are you with me? In that case, we understood one thing. J is actually either less or equal to the maximum value of I. Agree? For every row, J starts with 1, goes maximum value of I for that row. Agree? Hence, we understood wherever J is less or equal to I, in that places only I should print star. If this condition does not meet, I'll not print star, rather I'll print. Are you with me? Shall we start the dry run? Sorry, I wiped it. Hope you'll be able to write. Sir, I start from condition true, J 1, sir. Done. J is I. Condition print. I have printed star. Done. First star has been printed. After that, since I got into the if body, will I get into the else body? No, sir. And this SOP should be out of it actually. Sorry, my bad. I'll write it. Agree, this is the end of inner loop. After this, I'll write SOP. Done. End of inner loop. Then J has been incremented to, so J value became, agree, 2 is less than 1. In that case, print Done. Once again, after this, j has been incremented to, sorry, 3. In that case, 3 is less or equal to 1 condition, false. Print j became, this condition failed. Once again, print. Once again, j became 5. This condition is still failed. Then print space. After that, j has been incremented to 6. This condition itself failed. Agree? Then I step out and come to agree. Since I stepped out of the inner loop, j is gone. Agree? I will be incremented to 2 is less or equal to 5 condition. Create j equal to 1. 1 is less or equal to 5 condition true. What is the value of j now? What is the value of j now? I value. Okay, sir. Done. Condition. If condition is true. Done. Once again, j will be incremented to 2 is less or equal to 2 condition. Print one more. Agree? After this, once again, j has been incremented to 3. 3 is less or equal to 2 condition. False. In that case, agree? Once again, j will be incremented to 4. 4 is less than 5, less than 2 condition. False. In that case, print space. J has been incremented to 5. Once again, 5 is less than 2 condition. False. Print. Done, sir. Once again, j has been incremented to 6. Loop condition itself failed. Step out of the loop, come to the done, sir. Then, since I stepped out of the loop, j is gone. Agree? Then I will be incremented to 3. 3 less than 5 condition. True. Then create j equal to Pakka. Am I going too fast? Manageable? Okay. Then once again, j has been started with. Okay, sir. I value 1 less than 3 condition. If condition true, print. Done, sir. Then j will be incremented to 2 less than 3 condition. Print. Okay, sir. Once again, j has been incremented to 3 less than 3 condition. Print once again. Okay, sir. After this, j has been incremented to 4 less than 3. Then print. Okay, sir. Once again, j has been incremented to 5 less than 3. Then print. Once again, j has been incremented to. Then loop condition failed. Agree? Step out of the inner loop. Come to. बाकी खुद करो यार अब. Done. Sure. Can I say this conditioning is helping us? Agree? Am I changing this part? Very much scared. I'll never touch this area. I'll be playing around only with this area. What? Funda is simple. At few places, star. At few places, space. If I can identify where all star, then story is over. Agree? Am I clear? And if you observe for this structure, one thing you should remember. Ho gaya kaam. What do you say? I'll write this condition, whichever you want to print star, I'll print star. If you want to print 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Next diagram is what? Shall I? No, you make a note of it, then I'll. Easy. Put it in the group. Right angle triangle. Pattern name is right angle triangle. Ensure to put the condition for that. Online folks, are you all crystal clear? And do I need to remind that tomorrow is a submission day for your numbers? Till numbers. Aware? Everybody? And those who cannot submit by tomorrow, absent, celebrating in native, celebrating holiday in native, health issue, whatever, late submission will not be accepted. This will affect your placement for sure. I'm telling you. People, those who are not submitting your task on time, those who are not being regular, these things will affect your placement, guys, for sure. If you have completed, relax. If not, whole night. Aware. Good. Done. Done. चलो भाई, फिर shall I, if I say, see, pattern remains same, that structure will not change. Masala will change only. If I'm saying first row 1, second row 2, 2, third row 3, 3, 3, fourth row 4, 4, 4, 4, fifth row 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, then all the steps follow. Chalo. All the steps needs to be followed. Numbers all done? Anybody who is still working on numbers? Till now, all numbers are done or still working on it? Still working? How many are there? Madam, how many are need to type? 4. Completed. Madam, 3, 8. 5 left. Pakka? Last is xylem phloem. Last one left over, xylem phloem. Then bouncing not done, huh? Logic is clear, you are not able, you didn't type it, that's all. Honest answer, even if it is 20, it's okay. Tell me honestly. 15 or 20? 20. Honest. No, seriously. Else tomorrow will be bloodbath for you, man. That's why I'm asking. 20? Will you be able to complete? By the way, where do you stay? Oi! Up! Where do you stay? How far is it from here? Is there anybody who stay with you? From the batch nearby in locality with whom you can sit and spend time and learn? Who is your best friend in the group? How much have you completed? 30. Till 30. How much is left over for you? 12. 12, no. 42 questions are there, right? 42 minus 30. 11. 11 or 12? 31 agide. Spend some time together, both of you, today. Lock yourself. Where do you stay? Babu Sapalya. Good. PG or room? Room only, na? With one nice... breakfast, lunch. You have to give some Guru Dakshina, no, man. Free, why will he help you? Right? Go nice one parcel like pizza or a burger, whatever he like, veg, non-veg. Together you sit and say, cheers, and start. Ensure you complete and come. Don't miss. Tomorrow is the last line of submission. ₹500 sharing. Okay. Yesterday she completed your program, so you're giving 500. There, how much? Salman. Pakka. Sure. Chandu. Still 10 are left over. Still 10 are left over. Next. 12. Playing a game with me? Let's test patience. Online folks, those who are from V3 batch or V2 batch, tell me the numbers. Still needs to be done for numbers. How many programs are left over? Quick. Online folks, quick. Am I right? 4 remaining, 4 remaining. Faster, guys. Honestly, please. Shall I? Start. Then close your notebooks first. Next Rangoli, na? Next Rangoli. Am I right? Hey, close your notebooks. Close your notebooks fast. Done. Shall we start? Numbering done. And this j value, if I need to tell generic way, then are you telling me j start with 1 and maximum goes till 3, j start with 1 maximum goes till 2, j start with 1 maximum goes 4? Basically that is in symmetry with respect to the value of I. So are you telling me this one goes 1 is, I mean, say j is less or equal to 4, here j is less or equal to 3, j is less or equal to 2, here j is less or equal to 5, here j is less or equal to, are you with me? And if you observe, j is less or equal to, j is less or equal to, same everywhere, but 1 2 3 4 5 is changing, but this change is in sync with I. Are you with me? Whatever maximum places wherever j is printed, that value is in sync with the value of I. So are you telling me? Can I expect you to understand this very clearly? Everybody, the condition wise j is less or equal to, if this is true, then I should print something like this structure is there, something I need to print. Till now I didn't talk what to print. First identification is always, I am always identifying the where first. Close the notebook, don't irritate. First I'm always talking all about where to print. What I will start now. Are you with me? Till here, whenever I say where to print, this much portion is done, sir. Agree? Now I want to talk what to print else space. What to print every row. Pay attention. First row, 1. Second row, 2. Third row. So symmetry with respect to, हो गया ना काम? Agree? And are you telling me, sir, next pattern will be like? पक्का? Agree? Homework. Wait. ले ಏನ್ ಲೇ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೀರಿ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಬಾರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ए अत्ता थोड़ा प्यार से once again A B C C D D D D D E E E E E done. One more shall I give, which you can easily expect along with me? A B A B C, all the visible, huh? Very good. A B D na yavno avnu visible, huh? Oh, great. Perfect. Homework complete and come tomorrow. Chalega? Do you think you can handle? Pakka? Without cheating, Ray? By following steps. Please follow these steps. This may feel a time waste. Tomorrow it will help a lot. Put it in the group as homework. Fatafat. Done. Bag also packed. Next level appa. Chaliye. So fatafat without wasting time. Our V2, V3 batch. Mark your attendance. Once you have marked your attendance, you can make a move. Till now comfortable, all of you? Pakka? So that's it for the day. बाय बाय नमस्कार. आ रहा है रे, रुको, तुम लोग को बहुत जल्दी आ रहे हो. प्रशांत, अर्जेंट, अर्जेंट, गो and come. I'll wait for you. Wait a minute. It will come. Hold on, hold on. By the way, scannable or not scannable? Scanning? Despite of that, let me wipe the board. Made a note of the task. Everybody, this also needs to be done till all the programs of pattern. By the way, numbering you should be doing it pattern wise. I want pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3 like that. Programs different should be there. Create a new folder called pattern. Hope you remember. Numbers pattern, numbers folder is over. Create a new folder called patterns within SRC folder, patterns folder. Every program, pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3 will be there. Agree? Class name also pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. Agree? Done? If you are done, that's it. Take a break and come back.